Hi everybody, my name is Stephany Villa. I am currently a senior majoring in civil and environmental engineering at Wayne State University. I've been working for Consumers Energy for 2 years and I am really interested in the energy sector. I feel like that's probably where I'm going to end up post-graduation, so I like to keep up with a bunch of industry trends and what's going on within the field. And so today I came across an article, and the article was Exxon and Energy Department team up on biofuels and plastic research. So I'm just going to give you guys a brief summary of what this article was about. Um, like I said, I'm super interested in all of renewable energy and things like that. So to give a little bit of background information of this topic, so the partnership that ExxonMobil created was with the Department of Energy, and they pledged a $10 million research opportunities for scientists to develop or create uh, ways to have clean energy. So clean energy is basically energy that produces little to no greenhouse gas or emissions. So um, it's really a hot topic right now because a lot of our energy source comes from coal plants, and coal plants burn a lot of carbon, and it's not good for the environment and air quality. Excuse me. So some of the research opportunities that have been discussed were discussed in the article were biofuels. So biofuels come from biomass, and so they can be in forms of ethanol or biodiesel, which comes from natural oils and things like that. So ultimately, what people want to do is replace biofuels and replace gas with biofuels. Um, Another super interesting topic that I learned today about was carbon dioxide emissions. So scientists are creating ways to use carbon dioxide and um, use it to create energy. And so this process that they create this energy is through water and combining the carbon dioxide with water so that they can um, be able to create energy and use it for other fuel sources. Another topic is hydrogen fuel cells. So hydrogen fuel cells is very promising because it promises to be able to store energy, and this is something that we haven't been able to achieve yet. So I am very interested to see what scientists can create and what opportunities come from this gift that ExxonMobil has given to people. And so, partly what I think ExxonMobil has been doing is really thinking about the future. So, population is going to grow to 9 billion people. We know that coal plants will be going away, and so we need to find renewable sources to be able to replace um, that energy loss. And so here in Michigan, we cannot really depend on wind or solar because it's just not sustainable. We don't get too much sunlight here in Michigan, and we have very few areas in Michigan that actually get enough wind to create power for us. So so definitely we're trying to figure out more ways so that we can be able to um, find something that works for us. And so in the end, I think ExxonMobil is pushing for a um, more sustainable energy source, and making sure that they make an impact on the globe. So not just here, but everywhere across the world. And so I think that that's what this article was about. And in conclusion, I think that ExxonMobil is moving towards the right direction and is doing what's best for the planet. Thank you.